Hey guys, Ken Salvail here today, just having a quick look out in the garden. It's New Year's Eve, so happy New Year's to everybody. Just having a look at the ground here. I had an interesting thing happen this year, and we've been talking about the shortage of insects recently. It's come up in many conversations, starting to see it on the internet. People are saying that there's not many insects around this year in 2023. And so one of the things that has been requested is that people leave all their leaves and debris in the garden and not do as intensive a fall cleanup. And so that's exactly what I've done, is just literally ignored it. So just let nature take its course. And so part of that is to promote the insect issues. And so we've definitely seen a shortage this year. And so we're trying to do our part and maybe make an environment that's a little better for these guys. So yeah, it's an interesting thing. It's a different world out there, and I'm certainly hoping that next year we'll see more insects come about. Anyway, so yeah, a little messier gardens, a little better for the bugs. So there you go. If we have no bugs, well, then we have no people, so that could be an issue. Anyway, you guys take care. Happy New Year, and we'll talk to you again soon.